Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. This is a part 3. Again, if I can put these together, I sure will try. This was also from By the Well for God, so she carries a variety of things that she has made, designs, kits, Bible journaling kits that are phenomenal. And then she has support materials like, paint, stickers, ephemera, everything you can think of that you would need in scrapbooking, Bible journaling, mixed media. She has gelato. She has, just endless, amazing resources. And this is a family-owned business. So please, 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 like I've said, this is one of my 2 favorite shops on Etsy, and I just want us to really try to support her. She's really amazing. So look at this. This is the Kaiser, and it is blessed sticker sheet. Isn't that gorgeous? How easy to use this in our Bible journaling, guys. Oh, I wish I could put one of these in every single Bible journaling kit, but I can't. But I love these. And by the way, if you are not signed up for our fall camp, which is the Thanksgiving and Gratitude Bible journaling camp, Lori donated one of these for every single kit. The kits are first come, first serve. Please send me an email to josephinesdesigns.com@gmail.com, and I will put you on the list. We are filling quickly. So, and I'm just going to keep telling y'all till we're done, okay? So, all right, and this is gorgeous. And we are shooting for 20 on that, guys. 20. So I love this for Christmas. I'm going to use this with the other goodies I got from her. I got some ephemera for the 25 days of Christmas. So I'm using this. I always struggle with what's going to be my thing, And I'm also going to use this. The last one was by Pink Paisley, and it is Together for Christmas. I don't think I flipped it. I'm sorry. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm a rose gold girl, but I also love me some gold too. It's so pretty. I love all metallics. It's just, I've realized lately, even when I use like watercolor acrylics, I really just need to start letting myself go as shimmery and glittery as I would love to get. So I'm not a glitter fan because I don't like the mess, but I am a shimmer fan. So anyway, so I love all of this. This is Winter's Eagle 49th Market. 49 and Market, sorry. I love this. And this is called Winter's Edge. And these are the laser cuts. Okay. Oh, look at the back. Wow. Is that an extra sheet? Feels like it might be. Did I get an extra sheet of paper with it? Wouldn't that be fun? I did. Oh my goodness gracious, guys. Look at this. Okay, so there's the cut apart. I've forgotten this. Maybe I ordered this. I can't remember. But there's all the Christmas hymns. They are all going to be cut apart and used. Again, 49th Market. Oh goodness, my heart just overflows when because my mind immediately starts thinking I'm gonna use it this way, I'm gonna use it that way, I'm gonna use it this way. So, guys, come back to the 25 days of Christmas. I'm not gonna have a camp, but I will share with you my 25 days of Christmas. So, all right, let me get this put away. I'm trying to be very neat right now because I'm trying to keep everything separated for the trip. So, I also purchased the sticker washi package of this. This is the Rosabella. It is by Kaiser Craft. It is gorgeous paper. It is ooey gooey yummy, all that and above. It comes with a sticker page. Let me see, sticker kit. What am I trying to say? Sticker page. That's correct. Okay. And it matches the kit is probably what I'm trying to say. So, we have time. I'm going to pull this out. So, guys, never throw these away. I cut these apart. I use them. I punch them. You can do all kinds of stuff with them. You can cut them and use them as a strip. I'm literally carrying things like this in my bag for the trip. I have cut these apart. I use them all. So here's paper 1. Oh, gorgeous. Here is paper 2. Oh, 2 of each. Gorgeous. Oh, love this. Paper 3. Oh, journaling. Oh, goodness. I love that. It's gorgeous. Paper, we're on 4. As far as the actual different prints, gorgeous. Oh, I love this too. 5. I mean, it reminds me how I build up backgrounds in my journaling, my art journaling. So, art journal. 6. Absolutely beautiful. And I mean, if you're not seeing them, the branding strips are darling on these. Even the short ones, I cut and use. I know. I'm so cheap, aren't I? Anyways, and then here is the gorgeous sticker. So these are sticker strips. And it says, elegance is the only beauty that never ends. Time is measured in minutes. Life is measured in moments. There are so many beautiful reasons to be happy. Blessed beyond all measure. Amen. Memories that make me smile. Blessed beyond all measure. And look at the letters and the numbers. That is in the punctuation. So you get uppercase and lowercase. Man, this one is action-packed. Okay, friends, sorry to do you a part 3, but I just felt like knowing what Lori has in her shop, it is totally worth the few minutes to share with you guys, because if Lori has it, it's quality. That's all I can say. All right, friends, can you hear my birds? They can hear me talking in here. They're so mad. We were gone this weekend. Anyways, all right, my dear sweet friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. We are trying to grow our channel to encourage more people, because encouragement is what this channel is about. So if this would encourage somebody else, send 1, 2, 3 videos to a friend. Maybe that would encourage them. And I really encourage you to go back and watch video 1 and 2 if you're only watching this one, because there is a surprise if you hang to the end on one of them. So, all right, my dear sweet friends, again, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share this video if you like again. And I will be talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.